Hi everyone and welcome to part 2, New Product Development and Innovation in 2025. As mentioned previously, it's very interesting times. There will be a greater focus on lifespan and health span, looking deeper into anatomy, physiology, pathophysiology, biochemistry, nutritional biochemistry, all of which I love very much. I love all these areas. It's being more targeted, more specific. In this case, we're looking at selecting ingredients to meet the mechanisms of action, and it plays a major role in the success of the product. So if you can match what you want the product to do with the right ingredients for that function, and being selective in those ingredients, that's what makes the difference. So be selective in your choices. Don't go for everything all in one. Bring it back down. Focus more on your aims, your targets, your reason for that product. Look at ingredients. For example, ubiquinol. I love ubiquinol. I love all the things I'm about to talk about, of course. Ubiquinol, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, mitochondrial powerhouse. It does so much more that we don't realise the power of ubiquinol. So start thinking about it in your products. Active B vitamins such as pyridoxal 5-phosphate, active folate, methylated vitamin B12, so mecobalamin. These all work with various different pathways, enhancing those pathways but regulating a lot of them at the same time. And if we look at a lot of genetic polymorphism, so we could be looking at MTHFR polymorphism, even pyrrole disordered or disordered pyrrole metabolism, as I like to call it, these nutrients help regulate those pathways and metabolize things a lot more effectively in those areas. Vitamin D3, because we don't have enough time to talk about the health benefits of vitamin D3. Tocotrienols, of course, the very powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory effect inside and outside the cell. Of course, of its biphasic tail, it's able to do the same vitamin tocopherol functions on the outside of the cell as well as the inside of the cell, and that's what I like about the tocotrienols. Vitamin K2, everyone should have some. We all know about it as, coagulation, bone health, bone mineralization, bone metabolism, but also brain signaling. We're looking at regulation of blood glucose in women with PCOS. So it has a lot more functions that people don't realise what it does. And there's a couple of episodes I've talked about vitamin K2, so stay tuned for those in the future. Omega-3 and omega-11, cetylatic acid, plays a major role in upregulating the metabolism of omega-3 and converting it into its EPA and DHA forms of the body. Nicotinamide riboside chloride has been building up the last few years as a precursor for NAD in the body. Calcium, of course, for its many structural and functional roles, particularly brain signalling, the synapse, the flow of information, the flow across to get you that information there. That's very exciting. Chromium for the blood glucose regulation, as well as metabolism of cholesterol. Iodine, not just for thyroid health, but general overall metabolism of the body. Magnesium, because 300 different reasons why. Magnesium just does so much in the body, it's very exciting. It's very useful for energy metabolism as well as relaxation. There's one for you. Manganese for the knees, but also just very good for joint health, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory function. Selenium for its immune regulation, again antioxidant as well as anti-inflammatory. So a lot of these nutrients have similar end results, but they do it in different metabolic pathways. So remember, targeting your functions. Zinc. What can we talk about with zinc? So many different functions with zinc, it's exciting. Acetyl L-carnitine for the fatty metabolism, fatty acid metabolism, but as well as brain function. Glutamine for its digestive health, its muscle health, intestinal permeability issues, worked with particularly glutamine. UC2, which works with cartilage metabolism and restructuring of cartilage. Ashwagandha, one of my favourite herbs, for stress relief, energy pathways. Saffron for similar reasons. Probiotics because of the microbiome is a very big area. Berberine has been the hot topic for many years. I've been using berberine containing products for 25 years, and it's been the last few years that's really taken off. So it's exciting to see a long-term product really start to gain ground. Same with theanine. Theanine's taken off the last couple of years as well. particularly with relationship to its energy pathway metabolism, which is interesting, its focus, cognitive nootropic pathway, as well as its calming and relaxing pathway. And of course, quercetin for its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, neurotransmitter pathway. So a lot of these ingredients have many, many functions in the body. And I know I've just listed them off for now, but these are the hot topics coming up in the next 12 months in 2025 that I find very interesting because they're targeting in and honing in on specific functions that I haven't had time to talk about in this session, but I want you to start thinking about incorporating these ingredients into your products, so you can focus and get very specific pathways worked out. It's health, lifespan, health span. It's incorporating all of it. So again, thank you for listening, and I wish you all the very best and thrive in 2025.